we have si Lola Medi po. Lola Bet. Lola Bet. Leader.
Good evening to everybody. You might not know me, but I am Elizabeth Reader, Hipag Imo. We grew up at the age during the 70s. Magbabarkada kami ni Imo. And he's a very spoken, maingat siya sa mga salita niya. And I can remember na tumatakbo kami sa Project 7. Wala pa yan. Wala pa yan mga pamangkin mahal. And then, niligawan niya yung kapatid ko. During those years, nanililigawan niya yung kapatid ko, ang sabi ng daddy ko sa kanya, kaya mo bang pakainin ang anak ko? Sabi niya, opo. Then take a look. They went to Laguna and they get married. And Imo is a very soft-spoken man. Hindi niya tinataas yung kanyang boses. Even though na madalas kami nag-uusap kung lately this week na nakita na namatay si Alex, sa kapatid niya. Sabi niya sa akin, mag-ingat ka, Beth, mainit. And thank you for what you have given to me. Kunti lang yan mo, sabi ko. Then, ito mga batang ito, wala pa yan. Ako ang second mother nila. Binubuntis pala niya ng kapatid ko. Nandun na ako sa kanila. And Imo is very, very nice person. A very nice husband. And I was telling you, Imo, I know you left a legacy. We all died. Ano naman sasabi ko sa mga pamangkin ko, napakamahal ko itong mga pamangkin ko because I brought, parang nanay na nila ko. The pain will be there. Take long to ease the pain. But we're always here for you. Your dad left a legacy and a memories to remember mo. No more pain, and God bless, and we love you. Thank you.